Hello, it's Matthew from Supply Me Limited and MR Safety Training. So this video is for you people that work with food. Okay, so for all you foodies out there, you may work in restaurants, or you may be the chef or cook at nurseries and schools, care homes. So cross-contamination is a massive thing in food prep areas. So one way to address cross-contamination, prevent it, is to use colour-coded chopping boards. Okay, so this is just a reminder of what each board is for. So you got 6 main colours. Okay, there is a 7th one as well, but let that be a little secret until we get to that stage. So white is used for dairy and bakery. Okay, one way to associate this is think about what types of foods are them colours. So dairy, think about milk. Okay, milk is white. Yes. Bakery, think about baker's bags. When you get your loaf of bread, it tends to be white. So dairy and bakery. All right. Blue is raw fish. Raw fish swim in the sea. The sea is blue. Unless you're, from part of the country like where I'm from. I'm originally from Teesside, so the sea around there is a bit murky, greyish colour. But there we go. Red is raw meat. Think the colour of blood, raw meat. And if we've got raw meat, we must have cooked meat. There we go. The way I associate this is think about a dodgy looking pork pie, and under light the pastry might look a bit yellowish, so cooked meat. Green, these are fruits and salad. Okay, fruit and salad that grow on trees and plants. They do not grow from the ground directly. Okay, so think about your strawberries, green board. Think about your apples, green board. Bananas, green board. Okay, anything that grows from a plant or a tree. And brown, think soil, root veg, root salad, lettuce, cauliflowers, cabbages, carrots, potatoes, things like that. Okay, potatoes. Yeah, so brown, root veg, root salad. Green, anything that grows on a plant or tree. Yellow, cooked meat. Red, raw meat. Blue, raw fish. White is dairy and bakery. And of course, if you had a person who is visually impaired, you can get chopping boards that are embossed with different pictures relating to them types of foods. Okay, so the 7th board I was referring to before is a purple board for allergens. Okay, that would be a 7th board. Now, cross-contamination, measures to prevent cross-contamination is all fine and well. However, if you don't implement them measures properly, you might as well not even have them. Okay, so what if you've got 2 people using the same type of boards? Person A washes them perfectly and puts them on the rack in the right slots. Okay, person B doesn't wash them properly and mixes up the slots. So the red board goes in the yellow slot and the white board goes in the brown slot and things like that. Because of what person B has done, person A, next time when they come around and they wash them properly and put them in the right slots, we've got cross-contamination because of what person B did before. Okay, so make sure right slots, right boards. When I go to food premises and do food safety audits before environmental health come in, or maybe environmental health come in, give them a 0, and I'll go in and rip it all apart and put it all back together again, and here presto, we've got 5-star hygiene ratings. Okay, we've done that before a few times. What I always recommend is on the bottom of every slot in this rack, put a coloured sticker. So put a white sticker on the slot where the white board goes, a brown sticker where the brown board goes. Or get stickers, if you haven't got different coloured stickers, get white stickers, put them on and colour them in, different colours. You could do that, couldn't you? Okay, so measures to prevent cross-contamination. Yes, we don't want, so what I was just been talking about before, that's indirect cross-contamination. So the traces from the food or bacteria cross onto something else, but requires a vehicle to do so. So the vehicle in the example I gave you would be the rack, okay, where you've got your different slots for your different boards. That's your vehicle. Okay. Direct cross-contamination is where one source touches another directly. So raw meat dripping onto other ready-to-eat foods or touching ready-to-eat foods. If I had a yellow board and I put a slab of raw meat on that yellow board, that would be direct contamination. Okay, so anything that board then touches would be indirect cross-contamination because that's the vehicle transporting bacteria from one thing to another. Okay, so there you go. That's a bit of food safety training for you. Okay, so yeah, so remember, different colour boards prevent cross-contamination. You don't have to have different coloured boards, it's just the best way. Okay, you could have a glass board, one glass board, but you need to make sure you thoroughly wash and disinfect between different foods, and that could be a bit of a carry-on, so that's why a lot of people go for different colours. All right, so hope that video has been beneficial. If you've got any questions, wanting support, give us a tinkle, give us a ring. Telephone number 0113 479 0810 or email support@supply-me.co.uk. Okay, and we'll help, and we'll answer any questions. All right, take care, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.